Video, we're going to talk about the translate feature in Canva, which is a perfect way to help students whose language is not English as their first language, so MLL students. And it's very, very easy to do this. It's certainly if Canva for Education is at the school board level, then students will have Canva accounts, so you can show them how to do it on their own. Or as a teacher, knowing that you have multi-language learners in your class, knowing what language they speak, you can very quickly create elements of a presentation in a student's own language very, very simply. So here's a presentation that I have that I want to translate a part of. So what I would do is I would isolate. So this is a lot of text. So I'm going to isolate this text. And then on the left-hand side, you'll notice there's a little translate button. If it's not there, then you will search for it, but it should be there. So then you have a couple of options. Number one, you have to identify which language you want to translate to. So I'm going to select Arabic. And then you can choose the tone of voice. So do you need it to be professional? Do you need it to be conversational? Do you want it to be friendly? I always just leave the original. Now, this is not going to be an exact science, but it will certainly help with translanguaging. So that is students using their own language to understand concepts and then apply some of their other learning in English, right? So it's going to say translate pages. Now I can, all 101 pages, I could do all of them, and that would take some time, but I don't need to, because what I've done is I've included a lot of visuals in this presentation. This is probably the most text heavy. So this is the only page that I'm going to do. So I'm selecting page 51, current page, then I'm hitting translate. And within moments, what you're going to see is a copy in the original language. Now, this is a digital dilemma from Common Sense Media, and you'll notice it even translated the origin of it. And what it does is it creates a copy of the page. And so you could either just give the student this copy, or if you wanted to translate just that, you can make a copy of the entire presentation and then just use the language that way. There are a variety of different languages from which to choose. And if you wanted, for example, on this page, instead of having all of it translated, or let's go here, again, I would go in and I would say current page 56. And instead of going translate the whole page, I'm going to go select text from the current page, because I would like only aspects of it to be translated. So again, instead of translate the whole page, you're going to go select text from current page, and then you're going to select exactly what you want translated. So in this case, the title, maybe just this requires a help from a caring adult and can be resolved on your own. And then I'm going to hit translate. And then again, it's going to make a copy of the page. I should have chosen a different language just so you can see how it does it differently. And then you'll notice that that's all it did. So if I go back here just to show you, I'm going to change the language output. I'm going to put Italian because I will know for sure if that is correct, because I'm Italian. So I'm going to hit Italian, and I'm going to do the same thing, tattling, leading, and those pieces, and I'm going to hit translate, and it's going to make a copy in Italian. And fare la spia and primo. So not perfect, but definitely awesome. If you have D2L or Google Classroom, then you can provide students with this version. You can create a group within both of those platforms and share the translated or the translanguage items with your students. So again, translating is very easy. If you make a mistake, no worries. You just go to the back button and undo. Hope this helps.